Hey birdies, I'm back again with another reaction video and my reaction. How you guys today? So I'm back again to react to another music video from the group RBD, and this is the song for Tu Amor. So I'll be going in and out because I don't want to get blocked by YouTube, because when I come to reacting to anything RBD, I have to be very careful and very precise, because if I'm not precise to what I'm reacting to, I get blocked and I don't have time to be doing these edits. Come on, giving us California feel. Mi amor.
Sure of the right words to say. Maybe these simple words will do best to best explain what I feel in my heart, what I feel more each day. Oh, how to make you see, how to let you know, how to say how I love you so.
Come on, vocal harmonizing right there.
Was it getting right through to your heart?
Chris!
Here's a place to start. Tu amor.
Tu amor.
I will always be tu amor.
Tu amor. Come on, Alfonso.
All to me. Estarás siempre en mi corazón. You're the one in my soul.
Ooh, go back. In college, they were surfers. Well, all the boys were surfers. I'm surprised I didn't learn how to surf. Me? He better carry this song.
To best describe what I feel in my heart, what I feel for the time. Oh, how to make you see, how to let you know, how to say
Oh,
you so
gorgeous and gorgeous. Yes. Oh, I want to bite.
You're the one in my soul, and I live for tu amor. You're the one that I need in my arms. Believe me, these words I say are words that come straight from my heart.
Come on.
How do I make you believe nothing else means as much as what you meant to me?
Come on, Christian. It was a nice hit right there. Oh, with a deep voice.
I will always be tu
amor.
Means the world to me. Estarás siempre en mi corazón.
Oh, Chris looks so good.
I live for tu
Amor. Oh man, my drink is done. Oh, I need to get me some more. Water is good. That was RBD Tu Amor music video, so hopefully YouTube won't block this. Lord. But this is a very nice video. I really do love it. So really, this is a really, and I've read about them too, a very successful Latin group. So thanks to one who recommended me reacted to it. All I can say is, wow, if I could just do college all over again, right after high school, I think I would have traveled. I didn't travel. I traveled in-state, but I should have traveled. I should have traveled. That's all I'm gonna say. For everybody else, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for the recommendation. Whatever you want me to react to, feel free to leave a link in the comment section, and I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. I feel so good right now. Bye.